have all my ingredients laid out, so I just need to go ahead and get started before I get tired and I don't even want to cook. But I think right now I'm going to make a crunch wrap. So thank you to the members who voted. Crunch wrap won. But I really want some fajitas too. So I bought some chicken thighs and I'm going to make me some fajitas. But this is everything, and if y'all want to know exactly what I used, I'll go ahead and put the ingredients down in the description box. But let's get started cooking. While the meat is browning, I just put on my rice and I'm about to season my chicken, and then I'm gonna throw it back in the fridge for maybe 10-15 minutes. I had to take a quick break because these onions, oh my, they are tearing my eyes up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh. I tried putting water on it. Oh my, it's oh, my nose is running. Oh my goodness. Making fajitas should not be this emotional. So I'm basically done cooking. I have my fajitas in here. I have my Mexican rice and my seasoned ground turkey. I don't really eat ground beef anymore, so ground turkey. These are my refried beans and my queso. So I'm basically done, but since I have the stuff to make it, I kind of want to try something different that I haven't really tried. So I'm gonna try to make a taquito. I have these little corn tortillas. So I'm just gonna put in a little bit of, the rice, the beef, and then just a little cheese and see how that tastes. So this is what my plate is looking like. I only have half my crunch wrap right here. I have the taquitos I made, the Mexican rice, and my fajita. Really good. I'm gonna try this. Actually really good. And I have some queso right here. Oh my goodness. See, now I wish I would have made more than just two. So good. Crunch wrap. Alrighty. So I bought some of this. It's the Taco Bell mild sauce. I haven't had it in forever. I hope I still like it. Ooh, that smells spicier than I remember. I'm actually just gonna pour a little bit in the cap. And then I'm gonna pour just a little on here to see if I like it. It tastes completely different than I remember it tasting. It tastes different than the ones in the small packets. Well, I tried something new. I just didn't like it. I thought that was gonna be good. When I say I've outdone myself, I don't think I've ever had a Taco Tuesday that was this good. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna sleep good tonight. I can already tell. I am good and full. So when I was making my taquitos, I dipped my finger in the oil, and my finger is still burning, and it's been about 40 minutes. I really want to put something cold on it, but I know that's just gonna like relieve the pain right now, and then as soon as I take it off, it's gonna start to hurt again. So I'm just gonna go through the pain, but oh my gosh, it burns so bad. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I need to clean up just a little bit more, and I can't even lie, I can't hold it any. My finger hurts. I'm tired of trying to act like it doesn't. Thank y'all so much for chilling with me. Again, don't forget to drop it in the comments what you like to make for Taco Tuesday, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.